It is 128.375.
Kansas City International Tower 8 has information November 2053 Zulu. Wind 230 at 6. Visibility 10. Your clouds at 700. Your clouds at 14,000. 25,000 scattered. Temperature 14. 2.2. Altimeter 3000. Arrivals expect visual approach runway 19er left, 19er right. Simultaneous approaches in use. Bird activity in the Kansas City area. ASFC in use. Operate transponders with altitude reporting mode and ADFE enabled on all airport surfaces. Advise on initial contact. You'll have information November.
Clearance is 135.7 and ground is 0.8. International clearance, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo. I'm a Bravo Echo 36 Land Golf. Information November. Would like to depart VFR to the southeast at 3,500 over Wheeler and then to downtown Kansas City for some sightseeing. Eventual destination is Cedar Rapids, Charlie India Delta.
Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo, roger. What else are you going to be going over the downtown area? You're going to be at 3,500?
Affirmative.
70 Tango Bravo, roger. Stand by, I'll get your code. Bonanza, this verify full call sign is 70 Tango Bravo.
Affirmative. 70 Tango Bravo.
70 Tango Bravo, cleared into the Kansas City Bravo airspace. Maintain VFR below 4,000. Departure frequency will be 123.905. Squawk is 1135, 1135.
Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo, cleared into the Bravo airspace, VFR below 4,000, departure 123.905, squawk 1135.
70 Tango Bravo, your readback is correct, and just let me know when ready to taxi.
Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo, will call. 123.905, and squawk 1135. International ground, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo is at signature with information November, ready for taxi.
Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo, runway 19er right, taxi via Bravo.
Runway 19er right, taxi via Bravo, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo.
Ground American 1916 is ready to taxi with Zulu.
American 1916, international ground, runway 19 left. Taxi via Kilo Echo.
19 left, taxi via Kilo Echo, American 1916.
I recorded this flight about a year ago, before my panel upgrades. The flight takes me from Kansas City International to Cedar Rapids, Iowa, on a beautiful winter day with unlimited visibility. I'll spend a few minutes over downtown Kansas City.
7 Tango Bravo, contact tower 128.2.
128.2, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo. International Tower, good afternoon, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo, ready for departure, runway 19er right.
Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo Tower, runway 19er right, clear for takeoff, turn left heading 150.
Left heading 150, cleared for takeoff, runway 19er right, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo. Lights are on. Be on approach on the runway. SB live.
International Tower, Airport 210 at Alpha 1 with 19 right for inspection.
Airport 210, proceed on runway 19 right, southbound full length from Alpha 1.
Southbound on 19 right, full length, Airport 210.
Tower, American 1916, we'll be ready at the end.
American 1916 Tower, runway 19er left, line up wait, traffic crossing the departure quarter.
19er left, line up and wait, American 1916.
American 1916, fly runway heading, runway 19er left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, runway 19er left, clear for takeoff, American 1916.
Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo, contact departure, fly heading, or continue on that 150 heading for me, we'll see you.
Contact departure and maintain heading 150, Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo. Thank you, have a good evening.
Good evening.
Kansas City departure, good afternoon, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo, 2,900, climbing 3,500.
Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo, Kansas City departure, radar contact. I understand you want to continue flying present heading for another 10 miles or so?
Affirmative, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo, present heading to the downtown area of the city and then some sightseeing there at 3,500 if that works.
Number 0 Tango Bravo, yeah, just continue flying present heading, maintain VFR 3,500. What's your final requested altitude?
Right, present heading on 3,500 and after the sightseeing I would like to climb to 7,500 and then go to my destination, which is Charlie India Delta, Cedar Rapids.
Roger, November 0 Tango Bravo. November 688, contact Kansas City Center, 135.57.
135.57, 688.
And that's Jordan 7321, I've got a field in sight.
Jordan 7321, clear visual approach runway 19 left, maintain 170 knots or greater, 5 mile final.
Okay, clear visual approach, 19 left, 170 knots or greater to 5 mile final, Jordan 7321.
American 1916, turn left heading 070.
Left turn 070, American 1916.
Georgian 7320, contact tower 128.2.
282, Georgian 7321.
Southwest 2440, reduce speed 190, then descend, maintain 5,000.
190, then 5,000, Southwest 2440.
Here we fly over the old downtown airport, and then we'll enjoy the view of the city from the air.
Kansas City approach, November 64 Papa Hotel.
November 64 Papa Hotel approach.
Just off Golf, Papa Hotel, like to pick up my IFR clearance to India Romeo Kilo.
Bonanza 64 Papa Hotel, roger, maintain VFR, squawk 4673 ident.
4673 ident.
Southwest 2440, descend, maintain 4,000.
4,000, that's 444.
American 1916, proceed direct Blue Z, resume spinner transition.
Direct Blue Z, resume spinner transition, American 1916.
Malibu 14 Yankee, resume on navigation, contact downtown tower 133.3.
On navigation at 33.3 for 14 Yankee. Good day.
November 64 Papa Hotel, radar contact 3 miles northeast, Midwest National Air Center, altitude indicates 2,100.
Roger, November 64 Papa Hotel.
November 4 Papa Hotel, climb maintain 5,000.
Climb maintain 5,000. Hotel.
The Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo, do you still need me on the 150 heading or can I start maneuvering now?
November 0 Tango Bravo, you can start maneuvering to the east-northeast.
Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo, roger.
November 4 Papa Hotel, clear to Kirksville Airport via present position, direct, climb maintain 5,000.
Clear to the Kirksville Airport, direct 5,000, 64 Papa Hotel.
November 4 Papa Hotel, read back correct. November 0 Tango Bravo, you want to start climbing to 7,500 now?
A negative, Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo, we'd like to stay at 3,500 for another 5 to 10 minutes.
Roger, just advised.
Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo, will call.
Southwest 2440, turn left heading 340.
340 heading, Southwest 2440. Airport descent, 1.5, that's a 30, 2440.
Southwest 2440, roger. Descend, maintain 3,000.
3,000, 2440.
Southwest 2440, turn left heading 270, clear visual approach, runway 19 right, contact the tower.
270, clear visual, 19 right, on tower. Good night.
Alright, American 1916, contact Kansas City Center 125.25.
12525, good day, American 1916.
November 70 Tango Bravo, maintain VFR 3500, downtown tower, we'll talk to you next. You contact them now 133.3.
133.3, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo. Thanks for the help, have a good day.
I'll talk to you outbound.
Downtown tower, good afternoon, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo, 3500, just south of the downtown airport. I'm the Bonanza that's circling over downtown.
November 70 Tango Bravo, downtown tower, roger, just remain east of runway 19's departure corridor.
Will remain east of the runway 19 departure corridor, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo. Thank you.
Downtown tower, helicopter 2 Romeo Delta, signature ramp inbound from the east.
Helicopter 2 Romeo Delta, landing at signature will be at your north.
Signature on red, helicopter 2 Romeo Delta, thank you.
Downtown tower, Cherokee 267 Papa Charlie, ready for takeoff. Information hotel, again, requested flight following direct to St. Joe at 4,500.
November 267 Papa Charlie, downtown tower, hold short runway 21 at golf.
Holding short, runway 21 at golf, 67 Papa Charlie.
November 7 Papa Charlie, runway 21 at golf, line up and wait. Traffic's crossing downtown.
Line up and wait, runway 21, 67 Papa Charlie.
Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo is ready to vacate the area to the east. Thank you very much for your help.
November 0 Tango Bravo, continue eastbound.
Continue eastbound, Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo.
Tower 470, Quebec Sierra has a question.
November 470 Quebec Sierra, downtown tower.
Yeah, do you see all that smoke behind you there? Do you know what that is?
November 0 Quebec Sierra, it's a fire in Kansas.
Oh, I got you.
November 0 Tango Bravo, contact Kansas City Approach on 118.4, 18.4.
118.4, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo. Thank you, have a good day.
Position.
5,000, 3 Golf Victor at 4,500.
Yes, sir, I'll show you the VFR target squawking 1200 in that vicinity.
Perfect.
Kansas City Approach, good evening, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo, VFR 3500, destination Cedar Rapids.
Delta 1638, Kansas City Approach, suspect visual approach, runway 19 or left. And November 70 Tango Bravo, you back with me, going to Cedar Rapids, 7,500?
Affirmative, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo. When able, I'd like to climb to 7,500.
November 70 Tango Bravo, cleared through Bravo airspace, maintain VFR 5,500 for now.
All right, 5,500, cleared into the Class Bravo airspace, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo, thank you.
November 4 Tango Delta, contact Kansas City Center 125.25.
25, 2 4 Tango.
November 0 Tango Bravo, proceed direct destination.
Direct destination, Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo.
Digit 761, Kansas City Approach, information hotel, current downtown, descend maintain 10,000.
15 minutes from Cedar Rapids. We will be switching over to Cedar Rapids Approach anytime soon, here, any moment. And time to get the ATIS.
Cedar Rapids Airport information, Kilo, time 2252 Zulu, wind 270 at 7, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 5, dew point 3, altimeter 299.6. Visual approach, runway 270 east at 5 on initial contact, you have Kilo.
Well, it doesn't get much nicer than that. Light wind on the runway, on runway 27. What else could you ask for? Beautiful sunset there behind me.
Southwest 2965, maintain 26 aeronautics.
And flying is beautiful.
November 70 Tango Bravo, contact Cedar Rapids Approach 119.7.
119.7, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo. Thank you. Have a good night. Cedar Rapids Approach, good evening, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo, 7,500, information kilo.
Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo, Cedar Rapids Approach, VFR altitude, pilot's discretion, enter a left base, runway 27.
Left base 27, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo. Okay, so set VFR altitude at my discretion so I can start the descent whenever I like.
Airline 4 Delta Romeo, roger, change to advisory frequency approved, squawk VFR, no traffic observed between you and the Monticello Airport. Lance 194, maintain VFR, contact tower 118.7.
On the tower, 119.4, thanks. Departure United 453, passing 3,000 for 5,000.
United 453, Cedar Rapids departure radar contact, climb maintain 1010,000.
Climb to 10,000, United 453.
United 453, contact Chicago Center 132.8.
1328, United 453.
Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo, for now maintain VFR at or above 3,500.
VFR at or above 3,500, Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo.
Cedar Rapids Approach, November 24 Tango Delta, 8,100 with kilo.
November 24 Tango Delta, Cedar Rapids Approach, enter left base, runway 27, maintain VFR at or above 6,000 for now.
Make left base for 27 and stay above 6 for now, 4 Tango Delta.
November 4 Tango Delta, Cedar Rapids altimeter 29997.
997. Cedar Rapids departure 36194 is with you 1.6.
Lance 36194, Cedar Rapids departure, radar contact, turn left heading 180, vector RNAV runway 31, final approach course.
Heading 180.
And Lance 1904, maintain VFR at or below 3,000. I will have a Bonanza passing above you west to east at 3,500.
Okay, at or below 3,000, 194.
Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo, that traffic 5 miles northeast of your position, southeast bound, 2,500 lands.
Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo, negative contact is looking for the lands.
Roger.
500 to go.
Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo, traffic no factor, altitude pilot discretion, contact tower 118.7.
Tower 118.7, Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo, thank you, have a good night.
You do the same.
Cedar Rapids Tower, good evening. Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo is about to enter a downwind for runway 27.
Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo, Cedar Rapids Tower, runway 27, clear land.
27, clear to land, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo. Here, coming down. Here, down and locked. Landing checklist. Here's down and locked. We've got 3 greens. Landing light is on. Mixture is enriched. Guns on short final. Approach flaps. Lights set, nav light, strobes, landing light, beacon. It is clear on approach, clear on the runway. Turn to final. Gas, undercarriage, mixture, prop, 3 greens. full flaps.
Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo, are you going to the fuel pump or back to the east tees?
Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo is parking at the northwest tees.
Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo, taxi northwest tees, via Alpha 3, remain this frequency.
To the northwest tees, Alpha 3, this frequency, Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo. Have a good night.
You too.
Crossing Alpha, clear left, clear right. Lights is beacon and nav. Top flaps open, trim 3 up, flaps are up. Lights after landing checklist complete.
Thanks for watching. This, by the way, was the last footage I had with my old panel, so from here on everything I'll post has the new Avidyne IFD and the JPI 930 engine monitor. Also, I will be at Sun and Fun 2020, should be there the whole week, so if you're there, please do say hi. I should be giving a couple of presentations again, and look forward to seeing you there. See you next time, and if you haven't yet, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.